Hey, hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this error. Let me just show you the error. If I'm trying to create the project, I'm getting this error. Now to solve this, it's very easy. First, open the Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Just search for Windows PowerShell, right click on it and run as an administrator. After that, here we have to put some commands. We have to put these commands. Just copy these and paste, enter. The first thing is done. Now copy the second command, and all these commands are provided you in description, so you can check out. And click Y, which means yes, and then we have to write down this last command. Just copy and paste this and Y and yes, and everything is set. Now we can try once again. Expo init project 1, and there we go, it's working. So this is how you do it.